Mostly rye pumpernickel. Let's make it. 360 grams of filtered water, 150 grams of wheat flour, 350 grams of rye flour, 100 grams of active starter, 8 grams of cocoa, 60 grams of molasses, 10 grams of salt, and 200 grams of dry wheat berries that I've soaked overnight, so now they weigh about 305 grams. And because there's so much rye in there, there is no way we're ever going to be able to get it to come together with a dough hook by kneading it. So we're going to use a paddle attachment and just mix it. So you just want to mix it for a few minutes to get everything all incorporated. I get it off the paddle here. And this goes into a container and it'll sit out. Oh man, see, that's the consistency. Might have been better to use a scraper for this, but oh well, here I am. So this sits out on the counter for 2 hours, and then, you know me, it goes in the fridge for 3 days. Got my dough here straight out of the fridge, and I'm going to split it up between these two pans here. I love these pans. They are, I think they're the perfect size. I could probably fit it all into one, but I like having them smaller pieces that I can slice up, and I just like it better that way. So let me first figure out how much I have here. Okay, it's $13.50, so what's half of that? $6.75? $6.75. Yeah, something like that. Math, oh brother. So I'm gonna weigh out 675. This one should be the same. Yep. Okay, I'm going to oil the pans here because otherwise it's never going to come out, and that would not be fun. All right, and this goes on the counter for 2 hours, and then it's time to bake it. Now I'm going to spray them with some water, filtered water, and I like putting some seeds on them on top. These are pumpkin seeds for one, and flax seed on this one. I like to press it down a little bit so it sticks. And they go into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. I'm going to set a timer 30 minutes, and then I'll stick a temperature probe in and wait till they're 200 degrees on the inside. It's breakfast time, and here's the pumpernickel, mostly rye pumpernickel, and butter, no mayo this time, and my my sausage that is made with pork and is absolutely delicious on this bread. Let me give it a try. I spent a lot of time in Germany, many years, and so I've had a lot of practice with pumpernickel and sausage over there, and I gotta say, this is as good as it gets.